the mighty LandCruiser. This one being an HZJ80. And yeah, I'm yelling because it's absolutely bucketing down. Massively. Anyway, it was too loud to even try to start recording earlier. The thing is, when you go to pull things apart, you've got to do it step by step. Now with these 80 series LandCruisers, the HZJ80, the top snorkel has to come off. There's a bracket that supports it. And in this one, it's got all the extra bells and whistles and air conditioning, and the bracket down there need to be unbolted from the side of the tower, which is really hard to show you because my hand's in the way. There you go. To be able to get the other set out, which was a one-piece set of extractors. The gentleman has requested the whole shebang, which is what he's getting. Cylinder head needs to have the gaskets removed and be all cleaned up. This is just a breather. This is just a breather, and that breather goes to the top of the rocker cover. And things have to be moved out the way and put back later. So, Mr. Grasshopper has been learning about these HZJ80s and what to do in what order. That's the old set that came off it. He's requested all new. This is a very much a work vehicle, all loaded up with tools and storage, and this is the old system that came off it. Obviously in much worse for wear condition. So, been removed in the quickest way possible. Hey, none of it's been kept, so it doesn't matter. Gone. Wow, that rain's horrendous. So Mr. Grasshopper will now clean up the cylinder head. Now this is a rare one. You normally have 10 or 12 studs come out of the cylinder head. Didn't happen. Alright, pausing for now and back in a few minutes in video time, or a couple of seconds in video time, and I don't know, maybe 20 minutes in real time. I'll show you all of the fun thing is happening, and you'll probably see Mr. Grasshopper reach over as he ducks away from the camera because he's so shy. It's important to get the back half on first, then the front half, otherwise you can't get a damn hole, and you leave them loose enough that you can get all of those joins down there to line up with each other, because really they are a jigsaw puzzle. And when you've got the top tightened up and everything started nicely, you can then reassemble everything up the top, double check it, and then work from under the vehicle. Why chase your tail? That's what Dalmatians are for. Well, a little while later and the jigsaw is finished. And there's the back section, up all nice and strong. You'll note just how heavy the reinforced bracketing is for the back of these. This is all 409 grade stainless steel. It's also then painted in their the colour that is used by King Brown, which is Pacemaker in Australia. Absolute horror to try to get those in. These vehicles were built and then they put the body on top afterwards. And trying to get the larger size pipe through, difficult but possible. When you have aftermarket steps involved and brackets, you need to make sure that you can move the brackets so that they don't foul anything, because you can't really go much higher and you can't move them around. Braced off the support mount where they need to be, and they go up into a double flange system, then up to the cylinder head. All exciting, isn't it? Yes, so exciting. Well, some people think it is. You got an 80 series? Barrel of fun. Alright, let's see what we sound like. One last quick check around, make sure there are no tools left anywhere. Everything is tightened up, it had to be. Yep, we are good to go. Well, I'm not going to show you how many Ks are on the clock. fire in the distillate type hole. Not too loud. These are good for almost half a gear while towing. Give a sound from behind. Here's young grasshopper giving it a bit of a rev. Yeah, I think it was definitely time for some new parts to go on this vehicle. Rusted out and broken, held together with some lagging and some good hopes. And yet look at the silly design they had where they went over the top of the rear cradle. They make the tube and then they crush it just because they put the body on last, where they could have spaced the body up maybe another 20 millimeters. Anyway, that's all off the vehicle now. What's on the vehicle will last for years and years and years, and with better fuel economy and reliability as well. Australian made product, made in Australia, fitted in Australia, used in Australia.